Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of m plus square root of n equals to 5 and square root of m n equals to also 5. So we solve this problem for the values of m and n. Here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now our first target is to eliminate all of these radical signs from both of these equations. So that now in order to eliminate these two, now first we focus on equation number 2. So in equation number 2 we need to take the squares on both of the sides of equation number 2 and it will be right in this way. Square root of mn and its whole square equals to 5 square. So you see that these 2 and square root are gone and we get the value of m times of n equals to this 5 square equals to 25, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now here we need to eliminate the square root sign on equation number 1, so that now we take the squares on equation number 1 on both of the sides. So we write our equation number 1 as square root of m plus square root of n and its whole square equals to 5 square. So here we need the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we need to substitute the values of a and b here, so that the value of a is square root of m, the value of b is square root of n. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as square root of m and its whole square plus 2 times of ab. So here our a is square root of m and b is square root of n plus b square. So b is square root of n and its whole square equals to the square of 5 becomes 25. So in the next step we have these 2 and square root are gone and we obtain m plus 2 times of, here we need to combine the square root on these two terms and it will be written as square root of m n plus these 2 and square root are gone and we get n equals to 25. And we know that the square root of mn equals to 5, so we use this value here and it will becomes m plus 2 times of 5 and plus n equals to 25. So this will be written as m plus n equals to, so these two 5s are 10 and we move this 10 to the right hand side and it will becomes 25 minus 10. Okay, so further we have the values of m plus n equals to 25 minus 10 equals to 15, and we call this is our equation number 3. So equation number this is equation number 4. So our equation number 3 is implies that this is mn equals to 25. So we need to solve these two equations and we easily get the values of m and n. So here first we focus on equation number 4, so that from equation number 4 we move this m to the right hand side and it will becomes n equals to 15 minus m, and we call this is equation number 5. So we substitute this value of n in this equation. So here equation number 3 is implies that this is m times of n, so we have the value of n is 15 minus m, so this is equals to 25. And now here we need to multiply this m on both of these terms and it will be written as 15m minus m square equals to 25. So this equation will becomes quadratic in m variable but not into standard form. So now first we write this into the standard form of quadratic equation. For this we need to move these two values to the right hand side and it will be written as, this is minus m square becomes plus m square, this is plus 15m becomes minus 15m, and this is again plus 25 equals to 0. So this will become standard form of quadratic equation, and now we will use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 15 and c equals to 25. And you know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and now we need to substitute the values of a, b and c here. So we have the value of b is minus 15 when we substitute it here. So minus times of minus becomes plus 15, and plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 15 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 25, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also 1. So in the next step we have m is equals to 15 plus minus. We know that the square of minus 20, the square of minus 15 is equals to 225 minus 4 times of 25 equals to 100, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. Okay, so further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as m equals 15 plus minus square root of 225 minus 100 equals to 125, and it is divided by 2. So we rewrite this equation as 15 plus minus, we write this 125 as 25 times of 5 equals to 125, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have the two values of m are, this is 15 plus minus, we know that square root of 25 equals to 5 into square root of 5, and it is divided by 2. These are the two values of m, and now here we need to find the corresponding values of n. Okay, so that first we break these two values here, and here we write the positive value of m, it is 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So that here we need equation number 5. So that equation number 5 implies that n equals to 15 minus m. So here we substitute the above two values of m, and we find the corresponding values of n. So that first we put this value of m here, and it will becomes n equals to 15 minus m. The value of m is 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. Here we take the LCM of this term, and its LCM is 2. So 2 15s are 30, and here we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms. It will becomes minus 15 minus 5 times of square root of 5. So here we obtain n equals to 30 minus 15 equals to 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. This is the value of n. Corresponding to the value of m is this one. Okay, so here we move toward the second case. Here we need to substitute this value of m here, and it will becomes n equals to 15 minus m. The value of m is 15 minus 5 times of square root of 5 divided by 2. So we get n equals to, here we take the LCM, and you get 2 times of 15 becomes 30. We need to multiply this minus sign on both of these terms. It will becomes minus 15 plus 5 times of square root of 5. Okay, so we have n equals to 30 minus 15 equals to 15 plus 5 times of square root of 5, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of n. Corresponding to the value of m is this one. Okay, so finally we have the two solution sets of the given equation are mn equals to first solution set is 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and the second solution set is 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. These are the two solution sets of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.